Happy 25th anniversary PCE and happy 50th birthday Patrick Flores.
Wow! Silver and golden years? Grabe! Ang tanda mo na talaga, Kuya Patrick. Di bale, baby chicks ka pa naman eh. So, what can we say about PCE? They are one of the agencies that started this famous slumber party in Citibank called Card Packing. And they have generated the most number of agency managers. They consistently uphold the winning reputation.
Success begets success. Patrick led PCE with a vision, principle, and most importantly, was strategic in his thinking. You have all allowed your success to speak for yourselves.
Anyways, we wish we are there to celebrate with you all. But PCE, enjoy your evening, and Pat, cheers to a half a century more of fulfilling life and genuine friendship.
Cheers.
Hi Pat, Lily here. Hello to everyone that is part of the PCE Corporation. I am privileged to have seen PCE grow from 20 employees to having hundreds of passionate individuals now. I'm so happy and proud of PCE's success. Congratulations on celebrating 25 years and wishing PCE more years of positively impacting more people's lives. Cheers everyone!
Hi Patrick, Angel Ong here. Kasama ko rin yung sister kong si Nerissa, one of your old agents as well.
Hello, Sir Pat. Congratulations to PCE and to the entire team.
Yes, congratulations PCE on your 25th anniversary. Ang bilis ng panahon, it's so hard to believe that PCE has been around for 25 years. Parang kailan lang when I joined PCE as one of its pioneers. If I remember it right, parang ang PCE code ko is PR010. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And as one of your pioneers, I witnessed PCE's humble beginnings. But look at PCE now. I heard it's now a diversified, multi-company organization. Ang galing mo, and also you are so blessed to have a very good team as well. So, congratulations to you, Patrick, to Weng, to B-Boy, and to the other PCE managers, and to the entire PCE as well. Please keep up the great work, and I have no doubt that you will continue to achieve success in this industry.
Also, happy birthday, Sir Pat, and may God bless you more.
Yes, happy birthday, Patrick. Welcome to the fabulous 50s collab. And as you reach this age, this milestone, I can only wish you good health, more wealth to share, and a happy and peaceful life to you and your family. And again,
Happy silver anniversary to PCE and happy birthday to you, Sir
Patrick.
Pat.
I'll see you soon, Patrick. Alam mo na yon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Sir Pat!
Happy birthday po. Saan yung pamasko po? Joke.
Joke lang!
Stay safe, stay healthy. Hope to see you soon po.
Ingat lagi dyan!
Happy many returns, Sir Pat. Hope you have a birthday filled with more blessings and joy po.
Kita-kits soon! God bless!
Bye. God bless.
Hello, Sir Pat.
Hi, Sir Pat.
Happy birthday. Don't know what to say kasi I think God have given you everything, or God have given you all the best in life na kaya siguro another 50 more years. Hope to see you soon. I love you, Sir Pat.
Happy birthday, Sir Pat. Miss you. See you soon po. Happy birthday. Enjoy, Sir Pat.
Bye.
Hello, Lola Pat. It's been 16 years since you last saw me, and I'm just wishing you the happiest 50th birthday. And I'm looking forward to seeing you the next time we have a vacation in the Philippines. Well, God bless.
Game start.
Happy birthday, Sir Pat. Happy Golden Boy. and happy 25th anniversary PCE. Tagal na! Yaman na! Balik ka na dito, Sir Pat. Hindi na ako galit. Balik ka na.
Pagkaguri
Happy birthday!
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, boss. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Pat. DDA 910 signing off.
Hi Sir Pat, happy birthday. I wish more birthdays to come and good health. Minsan dalaw ka naman dito. Lagi na lang doon sa kila Janice sa Italy or QMI sa UK. Pero again, yeah, if you wanna come here and see Texas, let me know. Thank you again sa lahat, and lalo-lalo na nung mga panahon na nagsisimula ako sa PCE. Hindi ko makakalimutan yon. Kaya thank you. Happy birthday. You deserve a grand celebration.
Hi Sir Pat, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, actually not a wish, but I pray na maging continuous yung success ng business mo, continuously na that God will give you a great health, peace of mind, pure joy in your heart, and hopefully, and I'm praying also that all your wishes or all your heart's desires will all come true or will all come to reality. Well, thank you so much for everything kasi you always spend time with us or make time with us or to meet us. Hindi lang sa ako or my whole family. Thanks for everything, and I hope you will have a great birthday celebration. And hopefully, pag nag-meet tayo ulit, it's another celebration. Anyway, God bless and have a blast. Thank you.
Hi Patrick, hi PCE team. Congratulations on your huge milestones. Patrick, you and your company are such a huge blessings to many, most especially to our family. Kita mo naman, all of us here, in one way or another, have been part of PCE.
Yes, Sir Pat. I've always been grateful to have been part of PCE. If it wasn't for PCE, I would not have met my forever here. So yung mga naghahanap dyan ng forever dyan sa PCE, may forever sa PCE. Promise.
Thank you, Sir Pat, for being such a good boss. You deserve all the blessings.
Thank you, Patrick.
Congratulations, PCE. Thank you, Sir Pat, for your support. I've learned a lot from you. And I miss our banding session.
Yes, correct.
It was meant to be that our path should cross again after you and Lloyd parted ways. So I believe it's God's will that your connection to the family should continue for many more years to come.
Thank you for always keeping in touch. You never failed. Kahit more than a decade na kami dito sa New Zealand. At yeah, kumpleto na kami dito. Nandito na yung banker mo, yung accountant mo, yung UMSTLs. CM lang ang kulang at saka card pack. Yes. Pwede na magkaroon ng PCE sa New Zealand.
Yes.
So,
happy silver anniversary and happy birthday, Patrick. See you soon, Patrick. Bye.
Hello, Sir Pat. George here. Happy 50th birthday. Hope you enjoy yourself and many more to come. Enjoy!
Happy anniversary, PCE Corp. Wow, 25 years. Time flies indeed. I worked here for 9 incredible and memorable years. I'm proud to be part of this team. Thank you, Sir Pat, for the privilege and opportunity. And happy 50th birthday. Me and George are looking forward to see you again back in London for our mini celebration. Cheers!
Hello and good evening, PCE and Allianz family. My apologies as I am unable to join you in your celebration this evening. I would like to congratulate each of you on this remarkable milestone. Can you imagine 25 years and more than half of Sir Pat's existence working with you amazing people? Wow. I'm very proud to have once been part of the team in building not just careers, but an environment and culture of family, competitiveness, and incredible talent. Thank you for all your support throughout our city years. There was never a doubt on what you all can achieve. I will continue to watch and cheer on your successes with pride and joy, and I look forward to seeing you in 25 years' time. Enjoy and congratulations.